everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I have got another advent calendar unboxing to share with you. And I have got, ooh, wants to fall. I've got an Essence advent calendar. This is the 24 Sparkling Moments of Joy advent calendar. And it is beautiful. It's the first time they've done an advent calendar like this before. They are bringing out others, which you are able to buy now, I believe. I think there's 3 in total. I'll find out and I'll pop it down in my description. But I normally go for the advent calendars that you do it yourself, where you get all the products in the box and you get little bags and stickers, so you make your own little advent calendar. But this is a little bit different. It's got 3 little drawers to pull out and open up. Out of the 24 items in this calendar, 21 are limited edition, especially designed for this advent calendar. The cost is €24.99, and I'll pop a link down in the description if you're interested in it for yourself. Essence is an affordable makeup brand. They do the most amazing lipsticks and mascaras, and I have been quite impressed with their products over the years that I've been unboxing their advent calendars. What I tend to do is create like a Christmas present for my daughter. She's 15, loves makeup, loves Essence, and it's got on the back here. Just realised I don't want to have a look. I want it to be a surprise. Okay, I'm going to take all 3 out because the numbers are all jumbled up. Yeah, they're all jumbled up. Day number 1, we have got a very gorgeous blush. This is Luminous Blush. Be merry and get that jingle glow with this rosy luminous blush. The packaging is beautiful, isn't it? It's really pretty. But look. Wow. Okay. I have to be careful because I will pass this on to my daughter. Very subtle. Very, very subtle. I don't want to go like that. Really pretty with a slight shimmer to it. So that's day number 1. Day number 2 down here. And we've got a lip scrub with Kieran Sweet Almond Oil. I'll be able to see there. She is going to love that. I love these type of lip scrubs. Oh, it smells of berries. She's going to love that. I know she's going to love that. So yes, we've got a lip scrub. Day number 3, on a different shelf, we have got a blusher. No, it's not. It's an eyeshadow base. What do I know? It's an eyeshadow base. Look at the packaging. It is so, so pretty. I'm going to keep this for myself. Yeah. So hopefully even out my skin tone, get rid of any darkness. Yeah, that is really pretty. I like that. Day number 4, these are nail jewellery stickers. So you can see there's a pack of little teeny tiny stickers there for nail art. Number 5, I am so sorry. This is not going to go as planned. I've just been unboxing 5 days thinking my camera is recording and it's not. I am so sorry. I'm just going to have to show you, but none of the excitement of opening it up or anything like that. Day number 5, we've got a gorgeous semi-matte lipstick. Beautiful design there. You might not be able to see because of the reflection. This is a beautiful colour. Really, really lovely. Oh yeah, I'll be keeping this one. So that's day number 5. I can't remember what I've shown you now. Have I shown you these nail art stickers? Apologies if I have. I've got a mirror in a little pouch, which is gorgeous. The design is beautiful. So a nice little handy mirror there. We've got a spoolie, which has got a glitter pattern there, which is beautiful. So really handy for me for styling my brows with gel to make them more laminated. We've got 2 little concealer eggs. They're little sponges, they are. They're for precise concealing, and they've got little cut off edges there, so you're able to get right in to the corners. So there's 2 of them. And then the last item before I realised I was not recording is a moisturising hand mask, and there's 25 mils here. And it's it can be used all throughout the day as and when needed, or as an overnight hand treatment. There's no scent as such to it. It contains urea and vitamin E. But yeah, it feels really lovely. It does feel really nice. Day number 12. We have got a eyeliner. This is a kohl pencil in black. Christmas design there. basic black pencil. Day number 13. Oh, my daughters love these, especially the small ones. She'll pretend that she's got earrings or a nose ring maybe. Self-adhesive face jewellery. I'll just take it out so you can see more clearly. They're pretty, aren't they? So there's those. Day number 14. Just ripping it to shreds. I absolutely love this packaging. It's the same as the spoolie. It is beautiful, isn't it? This is an eyeshadow blending brush. I forgot to say as well that all Essence makeup are cruelty-free and vegan. And it's to match the spoolie with a glitter glass. And a shader brush there. Day number 15. Something for your nails. It's a pretty colour. This is a mini nude nail polish. That is a gorgeous colour. Really pretty. Nail polish. Day number 16. We've got a glitzy nail file. And it says sparkle all the way on the back there. So yeah, so that's for filing and that's more like for buffing. Day number 17. And we've got Juicy Balm Shiny Lip Gloss. In Proud Pitaya. Proud Pitaya. Oh, smell is lovely. The smell is fruity. Yeah, that is gorgeous. It's clear, so you're not going to see anything, but it's a clear lip gloss, but with a gorgeous, gorgeous smell. So there's that. Day number 18. These are, oh, they're hair ties. I thought they were bracelets. I thought they were bracelets at first, but no, they're hair ties. Nice stretchy hair ties. So there's 2 there. Day number 19. And we've got another eyeshadow brush. This is an eyeshadow, what's it say? Eyeshadow shader. Oh, it's a nice little one. A nice little one. Again, in the same design. That's nice. Day number 20. We've got a Caring, woo, that's dropped. We've got a Caring lip balm with sweet almond and coconut oil. Lip balm. There. It smells nice. Oh, it smells like, you know those white chocolate mice? Do you remember those? I don't know if they're still around. That's what it smells like. Oh, it's lovely. There you go. Day number 21. We've got a lash curler. So you pull this down here. And then you put your lashes in there. And you've got a spare little guard there as well. How handy is that? Instead of having normal eyelash curlers, that's just nice and compact. Yeah, I really like that. Day number 22. Oh my word, there's not much left here now. And we have got a mini fix and gloss top coat for your nails. So we've had a nail base or a nail primer, we've had nail polish, and now a top coat. Day number 23. I might as well just rip all this off. We've got a brush cleansing tool, which has got a handy sticker you can stick on a tile in a bathroom. Oh, look at that. I haven't seen one like this. I really like this idea. I'm not keen personally on these cleansing tools. I prefer just using soap, just in warm water. But no, I like the fact that this is rounded, you know, so you can get a really good clean. Last one, day number 24. And we've got a highlighter. A golden highlighter there. Yeah, this one stands out a bit more than the blush. Can you see there? Just a little bit there. It's pretty. Yeah, I'm sure my daughter would absolutely love that. And in all my frustration of not filming and then getting confused with what I've shown you, I just found out that I hadn't even opened day number 9. Day number 9, we've got mascara. It says I Love Extreme, or volumizing mascara. Wow, that brush is huge. I wonder what that would be like on my short lashes. I do like a big brush to really grab and lift lashes. But yeah, so that's day number 9. So those are all the items inside this year's Essence 24 Sparkling Moments of Joy Advent Calendar. The cost of the Advent Calendar is €24.99, and I'm not sure about the value, but if I can find out on the website, then I'll pop it down below. It's a gorgeous, affordable Advent Calendar. My daughter is going to love it. There are going to be a few things that I'm going to keep for myself, but I know she's going to like the jewellery, she's going to like the nail art, she's going to like all the blushes, the nail polishes. It's just a really lovely Advent Calendar that is aimed for probably teens and a little bit older, but even me. You know, there's some products there that I do really like. As I said at the start, I love their lipsticks and a few of their mascaras I've tried as well. So I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know if you're going to purchase an Essence Advent Calendar. It might not be this one, it might be one of the others. I'd love to hear what you think of them. Or if you're watching this for the first time, wondering if this is for you or as a gift for someone, I'd love to hear what you think of it. So please comment down below. But take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.